Let's have a look at another two cards. The Five of Pentacles. This is a card of being left out in the dark, of really being left in the cold, of not being included, of being really unhappy and pushed to the side. Together with the Three of Wands. So this feels to me, you have to, when you're pushed out to the side, when you've got nowhere else to go, when you're not included, what is your next step? What are you going to do? Where are you moving to next? It could also be literally financially really low, being down to watching your ships come in, getting some money, getting really something good that's coming your way. And it could also be these two characters can see inside the church the lights are on. There are people inside. They must just turn around and look, have a different perspective to see where they can get help. So it's all about going from being left out in the cold, not feeling like you've got any hope, really being hopeless, to changing your direction, your perspective, changing your luck, to potentially going from being left out in the cold to having options, to having money, to having something good and positive come in for you.